To begin, from your phone's home screen, go to the Google Play Store and search for EndpointLock, then select. Install the app, and when finished installing, click Open. In the login screen, enter the username and password you created when you registered your account. Then click Login. To enable your EndpointLock keyboard, follow the instructions on the screen or tap on the gear icon to go directly to your keyboard settings. Once you're in settings, look for the EndpointLock keyboard and switch it to on. Click OK to any of the prompts that come up. That's it. You're all set. Your EndpointLock keyboard is now enabled. Switching to your EndpointLock keyboard is as easy as switching to your emojis. To toggle back and forth from your native English keyboard, simply tap on the keyboard icon at the bottom right of your keyboard to select the EndpointLock keyboard. To switch back to your native keyboard, do the same. For further questions, go to support.endpointlock.com.